Hey guys, how are you today? I'm back with my another requested video. This video was requested by Antarpreet Singh, and in this video I'm going to make hut from waste plastic bottle. List of required materials are in the description box, so here we go. Take bottle and cut into 2 pieces. Cut the upper part of the bottle in the same way as I am cutting. Color it. Allow it to dry. Then color lower part of the bottle with white color. And allow it to dry. When it dries, draw door and windows. Cut door with scissor and fold it. Paint door and windows. And let them dry. Take roof of hut and paste few cuttings from BROOM with the help of FEVICOAL. Secure it with rubber band and allow it to dry completely. Decorate hut with colored pen. When roof dries, then give some finishing touch to the roof. Paste it. And it's done. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.